Hey, and welcome to the instructor-led training series for MD-4011. My name is Lockie. It's great to be here with you. Across this course, we have focused on a range of different endpoint security components, first focusing on Intune and then Copilot for security. So I want to take you through a quick wrap-up where we talk about what we've covered and also show you a few different areas you can go if you're interested in learning a little bit more in some specific areas that we've gone through. Across this course and across the modules, we covered three main areas. The first is Microsoft Intune itself. We gave you an understanding of how Intune works to manage your environment and how we can use it as a comprehensive single point to be able to understand how end-user devices are behaving. Next, we look at Copilot for security itself and how it on its own is a great tool to be able to go through and ask natural language prompts to be able to find insights about your environment purely from that security lens, whilst also having the enclave of dedicated compute to work with. And of course, our final module is focused on how we integrate these together. Through the use of the plugin system, Copilot for Security is able to integrate not only with Intune, but a range of different Microsoft services across the Microsoft 365, Azure, and even third-party system space. By going through and using these various components as part of your prompts, you are able to get better security responses, better understanding of incidents faster, and a helpful step-by-step guide in the event of something going awry. So, what's next for you? Well, of course, I want you to celebrate your new skills. Go through and actually try them out. Go take a look at what you have access to within Intune and Copilot Security. And if you don't have access to them today, go take a look at some of the details on learn.microsoft.com for new areas that you can extend yourself into. And also, don't forget, there is a range of different courses that are available to you. What you see on the screen here, MS-102, MD-102, MS-4007, and MS-4005 are just a few of the many, many courses that we offer over on learn.microsoft.com for self-paced or instructor-led training. So, go and enjoy your learning journey. Feel free to extend out and go take a look at the materials there. Thank you so much for joining us across this training series, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.